Fishing for praise, understanding idioms in English. Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms. Specifically, we'll explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, fishing for praise. This phrase is a common idiom in English, and understanding it can really help you in grasping the nuances of the language. So, let's get started. Fishing for praise is an idiom that means seeking or trying to get compliments or approval from others, often in a somewhat indirect or subtle way. The word fishing in this context is used metaphorically. Just like fishing involves baiting a hook and waiting for a fish to bite, fishing for praise involves saying or doing things in the hope that others will offer compliments or positive feedback. Let's look at some examples to understand how this phrase is used. 1. In the workplace. Did you notice how John kept showing us his project report? He's really fishing for praise. 2. In social settings. Whenever she talks about her minor achievements, it feels like she's fishing for compliments. These examples show how the phrase can be used to describe someone's behavior in different settings. The idiom, fishing for praise, is believed to have originated from the literal act of fishing, where patience and strategy are key. Over time, it evolved to represent the act of seeking validation in a similar patient and strategic manner. Be subtle. It's often used to describe someone's behavior in a slightly negative light. Context matters. Make sure the context is appropriate when using this idiom. Cultural sensitivity. Remember, idioms can be culture-specific. Use it with people familiar with English idioms. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding the idiom, fishing for praise. It's a colorful expression that adds flair to our language. Remember, idioms are a fun and integral part of learning English, and they can really help in making your conversation more engaging. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.